In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stock Rover for screening. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find ready-made stock screeners and how to open them up for customization so you can tailor results to your investing style. Start by heading to the Stock Rover dashboard. This is your command center and it's where the screening tools live. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the screeners section and click it. Stock Rover includes a rich set of pre-built screeners, and this is a great place to begin because you can learn from the criteria experts have assembled. You'll see options like breakout screener, Buffettology inspired, capital efficiency, dividend growth, fair value, and many more. Take a moment to scan the list and note which ones align with your goals, whether that's momentum, value, dividends, or quality. Next, anywhere in the screener's view, use a right click to bring up the context menu. This is a handy shortcut in Stock Rover that reveals additional options tied to the page you're on. If you're on a trackpad, use your device's context click gesture. From the menu that appears, choose Browse Screener Library. This opens a deeper library of templates beyond the shortlist you first saw. Inside the screener library, you'll find a broad collection organized to cover different strategies and data focuses. Think of this as your starting kit. Each template is a fully built set of filters you can run as is, or open up to see exactly which fundamentals, valuation measures, and technical signals it uses. It's a great way to both discover opportunities and learn how seasoned investors structure their rules. You can scroll through, sort, and preview details so you pick a template that matches what you want to explore. Once you've loaded a screener you like, right-click again anywhere in the screener results area to reveal the option to modify it. Select Modify Screener. This takes you into the screener's editor where all the criteria are visible and adjustable. Here you can examine how each filter is set, understand the logic behind it, and decide what to keep or fine-tune. For example, you might tighten valuation thresholds, adjust growth rates, refine dividend requirements, or restrict sectors to fit your watch list. Make careful incremental changes so you can see how each adjustment affects the results, and use the live feedback in the results pane to gauge whether your tweaks are moving you closer to the types of stocks you want to surface. That's the workflow. Open the dashboard, click Screeners, right-click to browse the library, load a template, then right-click again to modify. Follow this path and you'll quickly turn Stock Rover's templates into screeners that reflect your own strategy.